Welcome to the My Aged Care video that provides an introduction to how to create, edit and assign roles to staff accounts in the My Aged Care Assessor Portal. By the end of this video, you will understand how individuals who are assigned the role of organisation administrators can create, edit and assign roles to staff accounts. Begin the process by selecting the Organisation Administrator tile on the home page. From here, select the Staff tab. To add a new staff member to the organisation, click on the Add New Staff button. Within the Staff Details section, you will be required to add the personal detail of the new staff member. Details include their first and last name, job title, email address, and at least one contact number, noting that some of these fields are mandatory for completion. The staff member's clinical status should also be provided from the list of values presented in the drop-down box. Options are clinical or non-clinical. The accreditation status of the staff member should next be completed, noting that as per department requirements, clinical assessors must hold unrestricted registration with the Australian Health Practitioners Regulation Agency or other relevant professional associations linked to their clinical discipline. The question mark icon will provide additional information for the sake of context. If the staff member holds accreditation, an ID number and expiry date is required. If not, no further details are necessary. If the individual holds a MAC Learning Certificate, select the checkbox. If relevant, the staff member's occupation must be selected, noting that there are 3 options presented for choice. Each occupation will have an occupation type that will display for the sake of further identifying the discipline the staff member practices within. If relevant, further details can be entered via the free text field. All organisational staff will need to be assigned a role in the system. Click the Assign Roles button to nominate these. More than one role can be assigned to each staff member, noting that the roles of Team Leader and Comprehensive Assessor should only be assigned to individuals who have clinical status. After clicking the Next button, you will be required to select the level of each role as either organisation or outlet. If selecting Outlet, identify the outlet the role will be assigned to. You will also be able to manage the qualifications of each staff member by clicking the Add Qualifications button. From here, you can nominate the type of qualification the staff member holds by using the options presented in the drop-down box options. Selecting the Add button will add the qualification to the staff record. Clicking the Save Qualifications button will save all data entered. Once all information has been entered and it has been checked for accuracy, select Save. Once saved, staff details will appear on the main page. To edit a record, select the Expand icon and click the View Staff Details button. You will have the option to deactivate the staff member or edit their details by selecting the Edit Staff Details button. Selecting this button will open the Staff Details page to allow information to be updated. From here, update all relevant information and click Save to retain all data that has been entered. That concludes the video on how to create, edit and assign roles to staff accounts. For links to additional information and support, click on the description box below.